FAFSA is live for the 2026-2027 school year, but hopefully you already knew that. And if you plan on enrolling in somebody's program or school, this video is for you. Hey, this is Coach Rock Robertson, Certified Career Strategist and Gen Z Pathfinder. Give me a like, follow, or save this video for more life, college, and career readiness content. First things first, even if you're on the fence about starting school, please fill out the FAFSA anyway. It's always better to have it and not need it than to not have an application on file and need it later if you change your mind. I'm just saying. Now, despite the governmental shutdown that we're undergoing, the Department of Education is still processing applications, so do not wait around. And if this is your first time, here's exactly what you need to know about the FAFSA. FAFSA stands for Free Application of Federal Student Aid. It is a governmental application that uses financial info, and they're all in your business. They use the financial info and your family's information to determine whether you qualify for financial aid to help you pay for college. Your application sends your financial details over to the schools that you're interested in, and the schools determine how much money you will qualify for. It's also used to determine eligibility for other programs like work study, federal loans, state aid, and some private scholarships that requires FAFSA data as well. So the FAFSA for the 2026-2027 school year, that's if you're enrolling fall of 2026, the deadline for that is June 30th, 2027. I know these dates may sound confusing, but listen up. Every state has its own deadline. For example, California's deadline is in March, Kansas in April. So you want to check your state's deadline at studentaid.gov. All right, now let's talk about what you need to fill out the application. First and foremost, you want to create an account on studentaid.gov. And if you are a dependent, which means your parents claim you on their taxes, you'll need information from at least one parent. And I'm talking about a biological parent or a legal parent, not your auntie and not your play mama, okay? What you'll need is their social security number, your social security numbers, driver license, alien registration number if you're not a U.S. citizen. They will need their federal income tax, so the W-2s and any records of earned money. Again, they are all up in your business. You're going to need to provide all financial documents, bank statements and investment records, and records of untaxed income as well. And your parents would need to create their own FSA ID when they fill out the application. When they're doing that, they could either manually enter their taxes or use an IRS data retrieval tool to make things so much easier. So again, create the account, get all the documents, have your parents or whoever claims you on their taxes, if you're dependent, have their information ready, and that's what you need to get started. So have you filled out your FAFSA? Let me know in the comments. And if you have questions, I'm here to help. This is Coach Rock Robertson, Certified Career Strategist and Gen Z Pathfinder, helping you and yours plan smart and strategic futures.